Well, hello there. Welcome to what will be the last stream of the Desert Merge development stream. So the game is almost finished. Well, everything in the game is already finished, but I think I need to tweak a couple of things and prepare the monetization of the game. So, for today, I will fix I will tweak a little bit the game overlay pending icons because I've received some feedback that it does not explain what it is. So yeah, I will try to make it more obvious that the items have mold and therefore have gone bad. And also, what I will try to make today is the icons for the monetization. So yeah, the clapperboard for to say that if you watch an ad, you will get a +1 of the power-ups. And also I will make like a placeholder of the ad system. Okay. I won't do the whole ad system on stream because it requires to configure some Google Ads accounts and some private IDs that is not wise to share that on stream. So yeah, I will do the placeholder in the code and in the application, and therefore I will then do the rest of the ad system and the publication on the Android store off stream. So yeah, stay tuned to our Discord because I will post there when the game will be published in the Android App Store and where you can download it. So yeah, so let's go by trying to fix the icon of the game over icon. So let me grab my drawing glove so I can do a better job in my tablet. So let's see what we have in here. All right. So let's let me grab my glove. There we go. So let's open Resprite and start working. So I don't know how much will the stream last today, because I don't know if it will be so let me rename this because I do not like the cinnamon roll copy. So will be the game over icon. So yeah, this I was told that it seems more fire than mold. So let's try to fix that. And the way I think I will try to fix it. We have everything done by each layer. So the way we'll try to fix it is by trying to modify this part here. For example, I think I do not like that anymore. And we'll try to change the colors to a more grayish, more dark. So let's go like there. like a very dark and almost gray color for this. And so yeah, let's try to have something else, because I think we can like start by a nuclei like this way, to not be that bright, you know. So let's try how this looks like. So yeah, a little bit of gray there. I want a darker part in here that we'll use to spread that. Like that. And I will leave that, let's say, in there. Yes, like that. Yeah, I think something like that. It will be a little bit better. So what I will use is some kind of that. And something moved like that. But I really don't like that part in here. So what I will do is that, because I think that's better this way. So something like this. Then we'll use this as a measure of like spreading, and part of this, and there, and a little bit of light here. And so I think something like this. Yeah, and we'll almost do the same in here. Something like this. I will use that to make something like that. Couple of points here and there, and a little bit of light there. This I don't like, so let's try to do that. So yeah, that's real nasty. It's ugly as it can be. So I think it serves more the point of what I want to accomplish. So yeah. Let's do that. Yeah, so a little bit there. I think I don't like this. So something like that, and I think this should be like this. Yeah. It's almost disgusting. So yeah, this is the cinnamon roll I think is the worst one. Sorry, the cheesecake I think is the worst one. So let's try to do better. Instead of do a complete circle, we'll do something like this. Let's see how it looks. If we go this way, You know, something like that. And then a little bit more there, here and there. And some brighter there. Let's remove this one. Let's change these ones. Oh, there. Let's put some dark colors here. And a couple of lights, one there. Something like that. Let's start a new nuclei here. Like it's merging that way, and so this way here. Put a couple of dots there. Change those to a lighter part there. A couple of white, clearer. Yeah, something maybe a couple of here, there and there. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, that seems completely disgusting. And so we do the same. Is this layer? Yes. So we'll remove this part in here and let's go with the darker center part. Something like this. Something like that. And let's do this one. So then the gray color. Something there. Then we go with the dark, like spreading there and here. Like it's joining one with another, something like that. And so should be this one here and a couple there to spread a little bit. There. Instead I will do something like this because I don't want to be like completely regular, as if it was like more organic, you know, like it doesn't need to be always the same, something like that. And let's do something here, like it's spreading there and also there. Yep, and a little bit of highlights in there, something like this. Something like that. So yeah, it looks really disgusting this way. So yeah. Well, it does not... I mean, yeah, I think it's alright. So, let's see, export APNG file, save to the stream. It should be VM game over icon. Let's remove this one. Oh, I can't. Okay, so now we'll do that for now. Let's go to my file. So let's go to the stream. So I really will remove those ones. So let me rename this one and remove this part here, and also copy it to the project file. So these are merge assets, textures, icons. Yes. Replace. So let's see how it looks in Godot. Okay, let's go to the 2D game over overlay. I suppose this one is not the correct one. I didn't want to do that. So let's go to my file system. Let's look for the moldy one. Yeah. Let's see how it looks. And it looks nasty. Okay. I suppose this is okay. Okay, so now okay, I need to open a component scene that will be out of this one, power-ups. So what is this? So in the game, I have my, for example, that next item power-up UI. Oh, no, not this thing. No, the power-up. So here I do have the icon, the default, and so on and so forth, and I will need to have a new icon, but I don't know if I will do. I think I will add to this, but I'm not entirely sure, because here I have the power up. So yeah, so I have chocolate overlay. Well, I have this set active and so on. But maybe, well, I could do a couple of things. I think I could add here the power up, and I think I will do as, you know, as subtle as it could be. So I will try to add something like this clapperboard that we can see like here, for example, and a +1 next to it. So yeah, I think it will be part of this entire set, like something like here or down here, you know, to see a +1. So yeah, let's try to create the icon. And what's about this? Nothing. Okay, so let's go back to Resprite. Let's create a new one. Let's call it add DM adds icon. 32 by 32, I think that's okay. So let's go here. Go black. I want to fill. I don't know if I want a square, but something, I suppose something like that. Well, I didn't want to do that. But then I will need to do something like this. And I don't know if this is so. Yeah, then I should do something like a line here. Could be double line. And I would love to. So I think I will change the color for now. Just to see the lines. So I will need to also do something like that. What do you have there? Ima. Okay, come in. And give me a second. So I need to reward a action by my bird. So give me just a second. Toma. Okay, so yeah. So because she is bringing items that she can carry, I usually reward her. So yeah. Oh. So let me see how this looks, because I'm not entirely sure of these ones there. I don't know if I'm making them too close to each other. That concerns me a little bit, so I need to check and test. So there, something like that. And now if I go here and do that, all right, it's not bad. Let me change that again so I can see. Something also like that should be it. Okay, so in here I think I will do a bigger line there, and I will try to, let's see if we can add here the +1, so something like that. Something like that. Yeah. And maybe I need to just leave that like that. But then it will be, I think it will be too small, isn't it? Like if I go like this, well, not that bad. Maybe that a little bit bigger or thicker, should I say? Yeah, I think that's better. Yeah, something like this. Yeah. Let's go back to my blue because I want to add some details, like something 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that one, like that, but not entirely like that, just like that, and I think I will do point like, oh, come on. What? Something like this, maybe, and I will move my number 1 here. Just a that there, and add these 2 lines in here. I think I could move this one like there. In the end, everything's going like that. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, not bad. So yeah, something like that. Yeah, I think that could work. I think that's okay. Or okay, so this is one way and the other is like without those lines. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, I think I'll leave it like that. but I'm not sure if leaving. No, I like it more this way. Okay, so I think that's all right. So let's export this one also. Okay. Let's copy that to my project. All right. So yeah, let's go back to Godot. Okay, so I want to have like a new here, a new texture button. Create that. The texture button will be moved like in there. Let's center that. Let's go there. So I think maybe like there, or because if I put something like here, it won't look as. I think I will put that like there-ish. So textures, normal, file system, assets, textures icons. Let's use this one in here. Okay, that looks okay. Let's save that. Let's see how it looks. Okay, not bad. Not bad, not great also. But I don't know why. If it's the power up. Why did not update? What is this, by the way? That's the next item power up. Okay, so yeah, so those ones, maybe if I don't access it as unique name. Let's see, because I didn't want to make them unique, didn't I? Because it's the same. Okay, it's not okay. Because I have this. I should change that for that. So if I go like this, now why are you complaining? Okay. So no, I cannot do this because of reasons. Come on, let's see. So this is the only one that has it. Did I make that unique? Let's open that. No, it seems not. Maybe it's see fighting or something like that. No, I don't know if that's it. I don't really know what's happening here. Oh, maybe, let's see. Yeah, no, I have that there. But I have nothing else. So where are you? Maybe everything is here, I think. Yeah. Maybe? I don't really know. Because... So, when we put the power up there... So we have... the power up position. What do we do with that? Yeah, we move the button. Yeah, so I need to, yeah, so everything is there, so I need to move that in here. But I do not want it there, I want it there. So now it should work. Yep. Yep, we have that there, and we can still do that. All right. Okay, so this is add button. And we have a signal here, I think. Yeah, we'll do that, a signal. Had clicked. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so now we have the add button. We add the signal of pressed. And will be on add button pressed, okay. And so we will just use, let's see. Well, do we have a type? A power up? No. Okay, let's create an enum and do that. So enum. So how this works? Enum power up type. Something like this, and it will be remove one. Remove type and set next item, something like that. And so we have here and here export var type, and it's of type. Oh, okay, yeah, no. Power up type. Power up type. Like that. Will that work? Yeah, okay, perfect. Okay. Update charges, so we have that. Okay. So then we'll do an add clicked no, not add, just with one. Add click.emit type. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, I think we can do that. So in my game, so let's remove a couple of things. So because of that, I won't use anything of this. So in my game, on my own ready function, I can have a, I think I can use, can I use, I don't know if I can use that, but let's see. Can I use, let me contract this. Can I do something like delete item power up dot add clicked dot connect to on add click and create the new function here. On add clicked, click, and use a type. Yeah, I don't think I can use a, so no, I don't want this. Let's do that the other way, because this enum, it won't work here. But I have my constants. Oh no, So I might have a mini constants. Maybe I can use this. So it will be that a constants dot board up type. Yeah. And so in my game, type is a constants dot board up type. Returns. Wait. So returns nothing, and we will do call the ads service to show ad once ad is finished, add one charge to the power up. So then I can use a match well, yes, call it the ad service. Once ad is finished, one charge to the power up. Okay, and I need to do a function on at finish, and it will be of type constants dot power up type, and do a void, because here we'll do the once at is finished here. So now we have a pass here and here, so the ad will be finished, and do a match type. I will do if type is constants dot product type dot remove one. Delete item power up dot group the charges 1. Constants power up type dot remove type. I will do a delete item of type power up dot update charges 1, and if constants dot power up type set next item, we do a next item power up. Yeah, something like this. Dot. Set next item power up. Of the charges 1. Okay. So that's it there. So I need to have my delete item of type. This is a remove type. Delete item set next item power up is a set next item power up. Okay. So that is done. So I need to create a new, I think it could be just a node, and call it add system. So let's add a new scripts add system. So create class name add system, and here we have a function ready that will initialize the add system. For now we'll do nothing. We'll do have a var power up type of type constants dot product type. There. So then we have a function show add, and it will have a type, well, a power up type of type constants dot power up type. It returns nothing. And for now, what this will do is nothing. So just a print print I'm showing an ad for, and do for s, and do a percentage st. I think it's something like this. Bottom type. And then this has a signal at finished, and so it will do an at finish.emit with the, well, we do a power up type equals power up type, and we'll emit the power up, not this one, but this one here, power up type, and let's go to since components add system save. Okay, so now we'll do an OR game. Just add components here, and we will link the add system okay. All right, so in our game I have my on ready. Var system, and it's add system. It's equals to dollar components add system. There. So in my ready function, I need to have my add system dot add finished connect to on add finished, and then use that. So this in theory should work. So now here I can go to add system dot show add of type And that's it. So that should work in theory. So let me see the output here. There. So let's switch into the game. So something is going nuts. Nothing here. Okay. So yeah, go to the output, return to the game. Okay, sorry. A mess. So yeah, let's go there. Oh, wait. I need to. There's something that is not okay. System power up UI there. So it should not complain. Okay, I don't care about that. It's not complaining by anything. So let's go back to the game. Okay, so I can do this. Okay. I cannot do that. I cannot do that. Because well, because I did nothing here. In terms of the power up, connect to on add click it. Sorry. Add click dot connect. And set next item power up dot add clicked to connect on add clicked. Supposedly this should work. I think it's okay. Let's see. 6, 7, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 5. Okay. Four. 3. 2. 1. Okay. And that's it. Let's if I go here. Okay. Something is not okay. Because I can't click in here. It does nothing. Is it though? No, it is, but it's not doing what it should do. So, in my power up, so it is doing showing up for 2. It's alright, it's showing up for 2 because this. So print add for is finished. We do this again, str type. Okay. And I add system should be with one ID. And in my Power App, okay, so so where do we do the update button texture? Here in the set active. Perfect. So update charges. Okay. Oh, sorry. I did mess up. Give me a second. Because I knocked out the tablet cable, so yeah. Oh, why is not going okay? Give me a second. Okay, now it's working. So yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so let's see. If current charges is less or equal 0 and amount is greater than 0, then we need to add this set active true. Should work like that. Well, not really. I need to do that. Could do, okay, set enable. Set enable or set active? I think it's set enable, sorry. No. It's set active. Yeah, but set active on set enable is different. So that's not entirely okay. So what I need to do is in set enable, okay, it's not set active. It's set enable. Set enable true. So this should work. Lima, don't touch anything. This should work. So let's see that. So let's consume this one. If I go here, oh, something. Um. Use inactive texture. So I need to use a. Okay, so set enable and set active maybe. Let's see. Yeah, no. How I did this, I don't remember. So we have my power up. And I have the disabled power up. And default power up. So let's see. Disable power up button texture. Where do I use this? Here. Okay, because texture disabled. So let's see. Set enable. Set enabled. So this on set active. What is doing the set active? Update button texture is using the active or the default. So the update and the set active. Shut up. So the is active. What is? Okay, this is not. The set active does nothing. So it is this set enable. Should be on true. Because of the disable of the button. Oh, because no, I am doing it. Okay. Let me see. Let's go to the game. Let's play. Let's go here and see the remotes. Okay. So I have the game. UI components. Next item. No. Set next item power up. We have this texture button. That's what we want to know. So this texture button if I now go and disable it, it shows that. If I then enable it, it should go back. So let's go, let's see. Now it's disabled. Alright, so let's go here. So it's disabled, and let's go back to the game. If I go here, okay, can you please move where okay, it's okay. It is not triggering that. Why? Okay. Print as is going to be enabled. Oh, because of, well, no. Okay, and then on set enable, print value. Let's see. Something is not. Maybe I will put a. Okay. So it's going to be disabled. Oh, I messed up. So maybe I do not want that. So, okay, let's see. Here enable is false, then the button is disabled. And if I go here, oh, we're not doing anything. Why? Because of this. Because of this. This should not be here. Not anymore. There we go. And I can still using that. I can remove this. I can remove that. I can watch an ad. And keep removing this. And watch another ad. And remove this. Perfect. Okay. So that's it. With that, the game is done. With that, the game is completely done. We have everything we want. And that's it. So everything is already done. So let's go check our. Let's go check our MVP minimum valuable product or something like that. So yeah, those icons done. Icons done. Monetization is pending, but it's pending because I cannot show that here on stream because I don't want any key to be leaked, and because I can be in trouble if someone uses that in a wrongly manner. So yeah, so this is done, this is done. So nice to have. This is not needed for a minimum valuable product. That's why we have this done. So yeah, the placeholder is done for the ad system. So everything is already done. And that's it. Game is done. We've finished. So what I need to do off stream is implement the real ad system and then publish it on the Android store. Nothing else. So yeah, keep tuned on my Discord. You have the link on the pinned comment, and also if you're watching this on YouTube, you have it on the video description. So yeah, keep tuned to our Discord. I will publish there when the application is published in the Android App Store. And that's it. So I hope you can try the game and give me lots of feedback, because then I will be able to like fix the game or make it better. So yeah, to improve it. So that's it. Now I don't know what to do. We have 40 minutes left, so let me check if we can do something like real quick. I do not have good sounds for this tutorial, won't be able to do that. But well, yeah, that's it. So yeah, as I promised in whenever I was talking about the monetization, this will be the only way to, so you only will watch ads whenever you want a new power-up, so a new charge in your power-ups. So whenever you click on here, you will watch an ad. You won't be watching ads anywhere else. So yep, done. So what we can do now, I think I will finish earlier today. So yeah, so by the way, this is my last dev stream, because the next game that I'm preparing is a virtual reality game, and I still don't know how to how to make the stream so you can be comfortable while watching the development of the virtual reality game, so you can see what I'm doing each time. But stay tuned, because I am sure that I will make some streams about the VR development part. And well, I will pause the streams, so I won't be doing more streams once I get to the way where I can comfortably stream the development stream. If I make some non-VR game, then I will stream again, I'm sure. But yeah, stay tuned to the YouTube channel also, because I will be returning to publish, to making short videos about what is being done in the studio. So yeah, well, and a shorter stream today, but there is nothing else to do in the submerge anymore. So yeah, nothing for now, by the way. I will be doing things off camera, but nothing for now. So let's upload that to the GitHub repository. The itch.io page will stay the same. We'll have just a demo. So yeah, you want to play the full game, you will need to download that from the Android store when it's published there. Okay, so why is that? So it's Resbalance Studios and Resbalance Studios at gmail.com. Okay. So the commit message is well, game is finished. Need to add the final add system and push that to the repository. Okay, done. So thank you all if you have joined my journey to learn Godot, to develop a game in an Android device. Well, it can be done. It was okay. So day 35, so it has been 70 hours more or less of development for this game. So yeah, it's okay. I'm satisfied with how the game ended to be. So yeah, thank you all, and see you in Discord and in YouTube. Stay tuned. We'll see you. Bye bye.